Ye mo bibi akwa ba edibade okoso ene so biem ye hia e wode okoso na ne de eye soro nkokora ene ye besia de frisi ye nyampanyefo titiro pa ofie ha omo ba be kire ade na me no ya afamu aba ne ye de aboye bra eye odihie na na meni se munim no dada ma me wotufu keke chese counselor papa bi a wosan ye musician na fe ye wie no no ne ye papa ya de nyina Reverend Matthias aye Eternal Light Ministry eye panyini pa ne ye betwetwe nkomo na ne de ye ka kra ne say who is a fake pastor wani ye pastor wonye papa na ne mpanyifo ebe ma me no ye ni ada ho wate ne yetimi akwa asoro pa na daachi so da ahenie no mu no emmo ye me no yetimi atena Range Rover wo ho nya asase so ne ye ba betena papa akwaba
ne
mami akwaba
ya onto umo ye fedro
mami be kan de ntia
ene me say me need se me hia wo isa se u se nyame abodi ye fe na wo ka mo ye fe radin shira wo no ma wo show ye kese pa
amen daddy ye ka bibi we reverend the best start e wo so we ya o se nyame afrem phone number no so ya adwene ho ache ye nim phone number koro tinka wa ba ye ka so be a real man of God a nyame frɛ no kora no eye die no bete na wo hu se nyame afrɛ wampa enye kom no beti ma fa Bible se wo ko preach se nyame afrɛ wo ananya asem bi nti aso nyame afrɛ wo why a reverend die nka kire ye mu nyame frɛ wa eye den na motene ne se wa
okay. Now I will want to refer to scriptures because what we are talking about has everything to do with the Bible. So I will want to refer to Deuteronomy chapter 18. Let me start reading from verse 15 downwards. It says, Moses continued, the Lord your God will raise up for you a prophet like me from amongst your fellow Israelites. You must listen to him, for this is what you yourselves requested for. That the Lord. Good. Now, the reason why God starts to use people to stand in between him and people all started from time ana nyame akoyi ne ma efre kwasomo koboshe asase so. When they got to the desert of Sinai, ho nyame yi ni hundi echre papa, so I will mix it. So God wants to speak with his people. And then he called Moses that Moses should assemble the people so that all of them should meet at Mount Sinai. Now, when they got there, and then God began to show up, Bible says they saw the light, they saw the fire, they heard the sound, and the people couldn't stand it. What even scared them the most is that nobody is supposed to see God, because when you see him, you will die.
Papa, wait a minute, uhunyame ya obewu. But obisu timi kase wa uhunyame. Ene ne tonsa kura didi obi timi kase na otene papa nsa ni faso benkunso a one na ekire ne se koye we. Na sese de wo kan che se nyankopon no kura na ase wa ye chese na body no hu ai se wia. Untimi hu ni sei. Nti omo se ne papa timi di obi visa man ne so fa mbrani. Na papa ni di visa ne ye de she ne semansa. Oba obechiro se o papa me call me papa ho nkomo ye de odo visa ama menti. Betu ase ne fa visa ne ma. Asemi
I will come there, but you see, before you can see the fake of the original, you need to know the original. Okay. Because a lot of time people try to look for who is a fake pastor, but they don't take their time to know who is a good or a genuine or a true prophet or a true man of God. If you know who the true man of God is, then that truth that you know will set you free from all the fake ones. All right. So, because people are not able to, they fear that when they get closer to God, they will die. So then they requested that God should choose one man among them to deal with, so that later the person will come and tell them whatever message or whatever commandment or whatever decrees that God want them to live by. That's how come he chose Moses.
Okay. Mommy.
Medofo.
Ene nkomo twetwe modu. Na ya asem so e hayen. Cause when nya so papa nkwa da chi bi no ohu be ye mobo.
Sure.
Na ye bisa say, "Hwan kra na ye pastor wo ye papa?" Ana prophet papa ne de onye papa. Wadwen kire wo ho ne say.
Medofo meda se. Na mi chi ahwefo nyina. Koso hwe. Ne yeko. Ne rade be ye okese pa. Medofo. Ye papa di ka se go se bibia ye original na ye fake wo. Ye counterfeit ene wo original. Ye wo tuntum ene wo fitaa. Ye wo han ene wo sum. So wakase obi your original ana obi nyankopon afre obi a nene ye be mo so nyi pe nyankopon na afre no me kai se bible na obi rekoni niwe emi se Yona nyankopon ka chane se onko kana sem e wo onko niwe no onko kana sem wo Yona ya so den enti kan ni pe wo sa ship ni mu nyina ka wozenke okori ko esa ne se onipa ba kwa nyame afre ni nsi me kai se na Joseph wo gurem ana da David na David wo gurem Ewrade ma wokofa ne bai ono bekum wo be anointing no ne Ewrade bi ni se hene na David be ye nyama bebre me Ewrade ennei ye hwe se nipa he na wotse Ewrade ne
Voice na
good
ne no
nipa he ena Ewrade da ne ho adi kire wo nipa he ena wo ma won ho kwan ma Ewrade eyusi won na nipa he so afokwa ni wo Ghana sebe me kase osofo ndress you but osofo a ode ne ho beto ho ebe na makọ evangelism akọ ha akọ kenyame asem aka asem a ede nkwaje ebebre onipa debia prosperity Ewrade ma wo sika Ewrade ma wo visa Ewrade ma obema me showa obema bi ba wa kwemu ohye eze ofiabrochiri na eba se Ghana fo merema na dem se oyi this abrochiri fo na this way medrofo yenka osofo a okan ensem a ede nkwaji beba onipa brabo sister yebenya ka yebenya nyama wiase ejapadini na adanyi wo hire wo kra efa so benye wo so o se duama ba no eni de be hu dua koro sabe se me ba wa sorry na wo preach nyame asem na sabe makobo aguaman na kwache mi se Ewrade se aguaman bon enye o se yemisa osoro hini ene ne tere ne kane na ne ka ho nyina o de beka ye ho eti se me bo abrabo kire me se me mo abrabo papa be so Ewrade ani a Ewrade be ma me ka se me bo abrabo a so Ewrade ani a Ewrade be ma me visa se me bo abrabo e be so Ewrade ani a na me pe bia Ewrade be ya ma me ebi a che ne be che na so enye den a ebebem sa onipa etesen ka de bia wo da fem na munum na wo de Ewrade ase esa se ye to enframa aka ye mu bi wo ye nye sika na de atuaka na se ujije sika fi nkrofo hoi ahe na wo de na Ewrade na kasa kese shoes akese coat akese mi wa so mo brofo wa so de ni ma wo hia moa obi wo ha ni obedia dakora e di ma no na me kakro kura no wo san rewere wo ne nsem no wo san ji na wuti me kon obi wo kwa de metie ba ko bi a na ye ma hometew o se me wo sika se na se manfa ma se nyame wa so de ngo na members no so kadi na echi etese wo sika hye wo be kwa kofa ba ye gunyame ani mase eti nyame se nya ye de mi kesi so ne se aba no e na wo bi behu etua no ne yai no niama na ekoso no eno na ade be mu se oyi oyo original oyi onyo original na sana obehu no na onipa wo so watena se aka Bible waka nyame asem se nyame asem sese nyame asem sese nyame asem sese Bible se nyama ye ni na ho sa abo
If I shall be a mission, you will value.
Brother, and not to him.
Na time ba me share me see ba queen why me say.
Bra, say the time about me sha etia chimi ni me fie fo. Enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
We dey do this so fa ni nyina.
Bra, say me ka say me di time about me sha ho dance ya. Wiase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti say malaria, we dra ni time about me sha.
Anya nu ko, die na nu ma to a wontimi ani die no. We dra ni time about me sha. Edwe enye ma oba wa fa afuro. Die wo ma akoda no fo. Enye akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na wo to time about me sha edwe ibi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo a 3-day malaria ibi ansa.
En crossway Food and Drug Board for Agiatu. Kayo se time ni TIME. Time about me sha. Afi malaria di be ada ni diva e wo mu no. Ebe trako.
So what about what your papa biana? Mu want to say be ma we.
Yeah, this is my secret. Give us P capsules. Pema wa ho din ko from na want to me to my din won pem. Give us P capsules. Obedu asa mama. Ono enemy lawyer.
Ah, enti wo lawyer no na hye obotom. Are you bro? Na dey na ba no pa me sini ba be chia mo a ese ni die.
Busa no.
No. Ni dey na fi waka wo. E fa ni give us cold capsules. Say yes si yare na wo so. Ko di wo ni pedwam wani na wo posa amaman enti mi ma wunja wo nan yi. Unum give us cold capsules a. Obey free.
Lawyer.
Give us cold capsules.
And give us P capsules.
Hey, and give us free.
Obey Chinasuma.
And men what if you do what you do cronkwan efa. Give us core capsules. A painful a batter one more menu for an quada when if you do me nunca.
Mrs. said, "Dear Marco Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. I go with the Mancasa. And to me come in sesame. Obian Transima stroke, we hadn't come to them with you.
Some make a show now what you home boy. Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Was saying what it is hypertension, or Barney Bema war, diabetes, June Somuya dear, Coco, make Kanimeja dear.
Obama Sija and Nancy Mameshia, Siamani Casimubuyano. Greenfield Adaroma, and Omatro Trauma name, in no Packasi and Yan, the Spana Koda Yajma was an antibibi. Greenfield were ultra modern laboratory, any diagnosing machine. What is kind of human system no was signed on a Jinkwa Gallic Plus, a boosted immune system, na sign AMA BP. Obi a halitosis, ananka bwane one enumuno. Onfanko Greenfields, no betting is say te. Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Wamu Nungwa Adogon Last Stop Estate Junction. For 0243 983906 and now 0261 651898. Greenfield.
God is our healer.
Greenfield.
Your last hope.
Yako abaje krato aba afeni watina so wo hejumadi din di oko enya koma twetwe ye bisa kora na se pastor so for de he no bia wo ye papa na onye papa se ni penifo etwetwe komo na ne wo motu ye fo ankasa na nti hei ma afa bebira ankasa na ne free na ekwe no de wo ye papa ne de onye papa na bible ni ibesua pa ntu so ati face statistician bible pa na sa nyansa ni nyina no book na eda ho sa no bibia ewo papa.
Hello, my dear.
Reverend fake prophets na ankasa. My kasa obugo niema bebre. Sometimes what TV ho. What me mu niema bebra, wo a wo nie ni kura. What me say, I say adie enkoyi. Bitini si wo so ma wo say ade enkoyi. Why you so free? Asofu binom esu. Etime ye mu so wo monye, o me fake and aso monye fake.
Now, there are three ways would determine who a true prophet or a fake prophet is. Who is a prophet? A prophet is a messenger from God, okay? Or like I've said from the beginning, good. Now, so it is the prophecy, the authenticity of that prophecy that makes him genuine or not one. Or prophesy ebemwana, does it come to pass? Number two, Asamna Okayeno, does he have any relationship with, can we find it in the Bible? Okay. Number three, his personal life, is he living in love? Okay. If you have questions about all these three areas, then you can say this one is a false prophet. why is this one a false prophet? Now, it is God who decided to call a man to be in between he and his children, who will pass on information to his people. Okay, so we call them prophets. That does not mean that we don't have other people who also do the same thing for other gods. Okay, we have Baal prophets, we have witch doctor prophets, we have voodoo prophets, we have all kinds of prophets. Where they come from, they also see them as genuine. Good. That is why I'm coming. So when we come into the children of God, God has dealt with us, especially what our prophets should do. One, they are the watchmen of God.
Reverend, we the nam pese me bisa TV. O konsori bebre mu a ana se nye nsori mpo ne yekuma ye hubu TV so. A na mo twabo. A enu ehun hira wo ho. Obi timi start $2,000. Etimi ba bedroom lowest no kai 500 Ghana cedi. Enti pese me hu say wo mo mu tua $2,000 no. Nyankopon wo hira kese bi ode ma mo ana se sika no nipa ne yinu timi se wo su. Enso wo se wo yiwani ya wo hu sofi. Enshira kese bi ta chira na asa den because enu nti amani pa bebre ntimi nkwa sorry.
The blessing of God is not something you can buy with money. You can't buy the blessing of God with money. But I think that what is going on, or what we are seeing, is like lack of knowledge. I see pastors trying to merge free will giving with fundraising, with prophetic giving, with covenant giving. When somebody wants to make a covenant giving, he decides how much he will want to make. When somebody wants to give a free will giving, he decides how much he wants to give. Okay, but it is only when you are doing fundraising, and then you can say, oh, let 2,000 people come, let 3,000 people come. But if it has to do with the blessing of God, a good pastor or a true pastor can along the line also become a false pastor. When you allow this world to take over your heart, when the love of money, when the love of pleasure, when the love of this world, these things, cars, houses, you begin to chase after those things will pull your heart away from God. So even though you can be a good prophet, a good man of God, a good bishop, whatever from the beginning, but along the line, before you realize, then you begin to know them. Okay, and what is also going on, we Christians, shouldn't be too much, no, we shouldn't be too much surprised, because the true man of God, Jesus Christ, in Matthew chapter 24, he said, in the latter days, these days we are in, he said, false prophets will arise. What is the first thing they will do? Deception. They will deceive many. They will even deceive to the point that the true children of God, when they are not even careful, they themselves also will be deceived.
So, Sanya no fake anase ewo.
Yeah, fake miracle. Can't you imagine when Moses went to Pharaoh, he put his rod down. They call a magician to do the same.
What for? What be? That's it, then we are fake. Young question cratu abua for yeba.
Yo ye de obi bia asede ba kasa fidie so ene abiu eni nyina ne se adwumaku a ye de etu ehu asi wonum se wapomudi ho asem na da ne da nyina ye behwe na yetimi aboa ma na akoso ye ede ama wo enu nti na da ne da nyina hu ye kasa fidie so enya adwumaku bia kekese time heba center for ye ena out yenka ye obi wo ho no ma ono ne da so nyina nsa nko beda be sori ana se nde how nyina wasase so no se anka bia nko na mo ana nko hu se eye ne tie tai ye ne ya ne tie tai pa ne pa no ne nyina betimi agyae obi titimi ye ne ya ma efebon se na ne hwene mu nyina eso ne nsuo onadofo a otimi nka so ha oni amane we bi e wo so a adure betimi abo watu na se na tipaye a ha wo ohwene mu ya na eso ne nsuo ma ne nyina timi afiri wade ama wo no time herbal mixture time onyankopɔn tumi na yare sa ɔde hyɛ hamba mu sɛ ye ni duaba na fa ha no ensa yare no time herbal mixture mu na de sa ahode no de adua enti yɛse sɛ wonom a abrɛ na wonom ye na ahyase ɛyɛ adwuma ahyase ɛkenyawo ɛno nti time herbal mixture de yɛse mmerɛ a ebetu a 3D yare na sɛ malaria ase ɛde fi nipadua no mu mmerɛ na enie sabi a wotimi nkan na akɔ Lancet chemical shop pharmacy na nso akwakwaje wo de na atimi aboa no apɔmuden ho asɛm atimi akɔso onuadɔfoɔ okɔ na asɔ akɔtobia no mahwɛ sɛ yɛatwerɛ time time ɛde aguso na afei nso aboa tontom no ɛda ho a mesɔsɔ kɔtɔ na saa chance de we ebi eni ho a mesɔrɔ na sɛ wagyae tɔ ɛnam sɛ entra mo bi mfa sɔkɔre ɛma na no akyenkyena ɛno nti na mekanfo time ɛba mehyade ama sɛ onya bi na asɛ wonom a ɛbɛboa wɔ yɛsi time ɛba center for sɛ wɔpɛ sɛ ɔba yɛ asoɛ na abetu yɛndro no bi ɛkɔkɔtɔn a mesɔrɔ bɛba K&G center Mbrom Abidja house wɔ Kumase saa nso na yɛ Atonsumuna junction yɛ no wɔ Kumase Atonsumuna junction ɛyɛ no so wɔ Kumase wokɔ hɔ no ma dodo apɛ bia nso no wobɛnya bi ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛwɔ K&G asoɛyɛ woduru hɔ no na bisa sɛ wopɛ K&G for asoɛyɛ ɛwɔ Munako junction obi abɛkyerɛ hɔ na akɔkɔgye dodo na atimi akɔtɔn na nso watimi anya mu mfaso bebiwe afei nso aduru afrɛ no K&G ɛba capsules no ɛno ho asɛm na aduru so ameno ɛba bɛkan K&G ɛba capsules no onuadɔfoɔ wonya bi na sɛ wonom ɛno ɛna ɛbɛboa wɔ mɛse wonom K&G ɛba capsules so a ɛbɛboa bi stew mu system niema bi a wɔ nipadua no ma ayɛ korankoro bi wɔ nipadua no mu ɛbɛboa tu na se koraa woyɛ bɛma onu ɔba bi kɔdi mpa so agoro bi ɛnde adeɛ kyinya na na sɛ free na mienu ɛkɔ no wɔn sɛ nneɛma nkoyi wɔ sɛ ɔbɛma ho a mesrɛ no sase no nom K&G ɛba capsules na ɛmboa ɛno na ɛbɛboa tu na se korakora ɛde ama wɔ na nso watimi ade ho ɛntena se na bɛma deɛ ɛnam yare anasɛ yare bi magye bɛma ɛmfa mbɔsoɔ yɛ ɔba bi nso wɔ so ɔno ne bɛma hyia mu anasɛ wɔ sɛ efrim de ɔwareɛ wonya mpa so ani gye da ne nyinaa ne sɛ wonya ani gya ntenka bi a ɛdɛn ɛwɔ mu sɛ ɔnom K&G ɛba capsules a ɛboa bi stew mu system no ɛde saa nneɛma wɔ nyina ɛkyɛw kwa sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔfrɛ na ne twetwe nkɔmɔ a na ma wabɛtumi afrɛ so nie 0244 417 669 0503 869402 Bomodi aso be frɛ na ne twetwe nkɔmɔ enkyeremu bia nso apɛ ne yɛ de ama wo mesɛ duro pɛdodo atimi atu a K&G center Mbrom Abidja house wɔ Kumase K&G center Mbrom Abidja house wɔ Kumase okwadodo apɛ bia benya bi atu hɔ saa nso na yɛ Atonsumuna junction mesɛ so Munako junction abisa so K&G for aso yɛ a obi abetimi akyerɛ oduru hɔ no nso a dodo bi a apɛ no obenya bi atimi atu hɔ opɛ ba akwa na sɛ mienu a Lancet chemical shop pharmacy herbal shop and asɛ drugstore bia mu ɛhɔ na akwakwaje wo de na nso atimi akɔnonom yɛda obi bia ase na wɔtwɛ sɛ na no yɛbɛsan yɛ hyia bi apɔmuden dwumadie so yɛda mo ase makra mo
ya kwakwaje nkratso aba afa no hwedwumadie din de dioko ene nkomo twetwe de ye ka ho asem kwa na sɛ who is a fake pastor why ni a pastor papa ni why ni enye papa ma fake pastor as ya bobo mu adi ho abobo a afoto be no de be ma ya yehwe wo fake pastors ho
medase medofa wo hwe so yi de ye futu ni nyansa nkwa ni fafi medofo onyankopon ni bi edueku o say lack of knowledge my people perish ni bia ye ni nti na ma ye ne na ma ye bre fenya mi asem na su asiase ne hu ja se makota anonto no yo kaka makota anonto no yo kaka sisa ebe bi no anonto no oni obeye de esa mwa nyache na obeko but erade de otewafebo erade de onsisanta oni tinye di nhamo wo sofo a wo ne neti asori dem ko bedi nhamo wo beko de bi no wo se maada obeye ni den enti hwe erade asam na wo kokon tsena wo na tsena erade asem na so wo ko erade din a ebre mu aye tin no obi san na wa behyew.
Yes my dear.
Yeah, fake pastors and the woman used to de omo hwe afutu be no de be mayen e fa fake pastors ho
afutu a me de be ma your listeners ne say fake pastors ne say there this is their season
and his season
this is their time during the latter time they will rise up.
Okay.
These are the days when people out of the love for money, pride of life, the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eye. People want to do anything to succeed. And I tell you, a lot of people think it is church. Because you get the money and you don't account to anybody. You charge any fee you want to charge.
No VAT. You don't have headquarters. Everything belongs to you and your family.
You know, but that notwithstanding, there are good churches. There are good pastors. There are good prophets. Don't play down on it. Don't say because there are fake prophets and fake pastors, so you play down on good pastors. Then you have your own self to blame. There are good men of God. There are good churches. Okay? Now, why is that some of the prophets and the pastors these days are becoming money conscious, money conscious? They put themselves into many things. For example, like this show, TV show, a pastor will want to come on TV. How much does it cost him in a week? And now, we Christians, we cost it. When we don't see a man of God on TV, we think he's not a good pastor. We think he's colo. He's not trending. You don't see him on social media. You don't see him on Facebook. You don't see him on TV. So, pastors are forced. To be frank, Ghanaian Christians are forcing a lot of good pastors to become fake pastors. In concluding, what I want to say is that a child of God hears the voice of God.
A child of God hears the voice of God. Not just saying,
Spirit of discernment.
Papa nene. Aha, we say utimi bompa ye pa se untimi nti sa de na nyame emphasize to me no enhye nyina yakomam na wo bompa ye wie kra na wo se nka wo twen kakra eni bi e wo ha se enya amen gigigige ne ye koi mesrew ene ye sunya de yankasa ye ma bible no enye ya de nyina papa Reverend Matthias. Hello, my dear. Oh, mommy, this year. Oh, thank you so much. Amen.
Until be a good man of God is very, very, very important.
Hane brebe ma yedi jumadie esi jumadie eyedie okọ mi ametina dwom midin edi Abena Ghana yeda aboafo asese maso yasen ema program ekoso ena atade kama ya ehye mi eye Grace Style GH for say season 2 ide menye easy kura wo mo ma me ho ayefa nkasa na afeje say ena de ensuo bi ebesi ha menin se ensuo sa na e wo flavors wo mo Charlie snack bar ensuo na e de say ese nwa kwara na riri so twi manim da se ne ye be hia e wodo yokoso medas dieko bedi na china obe wo dieko bedi na china me ba